Hi everyone! I hope you plan on registering for the EMDR conference. I'm Maria Aparecida, Tina Zampieri. I will be present about the impact of different types of visual stimulation on heart rate variability in Friday, September 12th at 5:30 p.m. In my presentation, we will learn about the autonomic results of an interesting effect that we noticed when applying exercise to strengthen the vagal system with different types of horizontal visual stimulation on positive conditions. This study with my colleague Dr. Monsieur Godoy is a peculiar part of my postdoctoral research related to the EMDR safety platform, a protocol for complex trauma, which I presented for the first time in 2017 at the EMDR conference. To verify therapists' observations, we prepared the present study measuring the autonomic response to the right brain hemisphere and to bilateral stimulation. Our presentation will share a video about the application and results. Be sure to register soon. I hope to see you in September. We hope to meet you there. Until there.